In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in Notion, a simple yet incredibly useful Notion tutorial for beginners. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves to organize information effectively, embedding PDFs in Notion can streamline your workflow and keep all your important documents in one place. Let's dive right into the steps. First, we need to get our PDF ready to upload to Notion. If you already have the PDF saved on your device, you're a step ahead. You'll want to open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to store this PDF. Once you're on the desired page, you can simply upload the PDF file. To do this, click on the empty area where you want to place your file, and then either drag and drop the PDF from your File Explorer, or click on the plus button to bring up the Options menu. From here, choose the Upload option and select your file. It's an easy way to have direct access to your document right from within Notion. Alternatively, if you have your PDF hosted online, you can simply copy the link to the PDF file. A handy tip here: double-check that the link is accessible and not restricted, as this could prevent the PDF from being embedded properly in Notion. Now, with your PDF file uploaded or the link ready, let's move on to the embedding process itself. This step is quite straightforward. On your selected Notion page, type in Embed. Notion's command will give you the chance to insert a link or a file, and this is exactly what we need. What's fantastic about this feature is its versatility and how it simplifies managing different types of content. Once you've typed in our embed, a block will pop up. Here, simply insert the file you want if it's uploaded to your Notion, or paste the link you've copied if you're using a PDF link. Hit Enter, and voila! Your PDF should now be embedded within your Notion page. You can arrange and resize this block to fit seamlessly with the rest of your page's layout. This feature provides a clean and organized way to keep essential documents accessible and visually integrated within your digital workspace. It's these little conveniences that make Notion such a powerful tool for organizing information and managing projects. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly embed a PDF in Notion, amplifying your ability to keep all your resources beautifully organized and easily accessible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.